Good day everyone, I am Angelica T. Sucubus and I will be talking about teaching by asking strategy. Active questioning is crucial in mathematics classes as it helps teachers identify students struggling with a lesson and those with advanced skills. Here are some reasons why effective questioning is important in a mathematics class. First, assessing understanding. Through asking questions that prompt students to explain their reasoning or solve problems, teachers can assess whether students have grasped the concepts taught. Second, identifying learning gaps. Through questioning, teachers can pinpoint students who are struggling with a lesson. Students' responses to questions can reveal misconceptions, areas of difficulty, or gaps in understanding, allowing teachers to provide target support and clarification. Third, encouraging active engagement. Engaging students through questions promotes active participation and involvement in the learning process. When students are encouraged to respond to questions, explain their thinking, and contribute to discussions, they become more active engaged in the lesson. Fourth, promoting critical thinking. Thoughtful questions in mathematics classes can foster critical thinking skills by asking questions that require analysis, application of concepts, and problem solving. Teachers prompt students to think deeply and develop their logical reasoning abilities. Fifth, creating a supportive learning environment. Asking questions in a supportive and non-judgmental manner can create a safe space for students to take risks, make mistakes, and learn from them. Encouraging students to ask questions themselves can also enhance their understanding and confidence. By asking meaningful questions, teachers can better understand their students' misunderstandings and provide a more engaging learning experience. Asking meaningful questions in the classroom is a powerful instructional strategy that promotes understanding, encourages critical thinking, enhances communication skills, and fosters engagement. By incorporating thoughtful questioning techniques into their teaching practice, teachers can create a dynamic and enriching learning experience that supports student learning and growth. Teachers should frame questions to keep students' voices at the forefront of class discussions, aiming to engage students through thoughtful and engaging questions. And now, let's define the discussion-based strategy and lecture-based approach. First, let's define the discussion-based strategy. Discussion-based strategy involves a teacher engaging learners in question-oriented dialogue, asking scaffolding questions, and involving both teachers and students in equal participation. Discussion-based strategy is a conversation or exchange of ideas and opinions among the teacher and the students to their peers, and it involves a two-way communication with participants actively exchanging ideas, asking questions, and engaging in a collaborative conversation. A lecture-based approach is where the teacher is the primary source of information. Lecture-based approach, or also called as a traditional teaching method, where the teacher serves as the primary source of information, delivering content to students through structured presentations or lectures, and it involves a one-way communication where the teacher imparts or gives knowledge on a specific topic, often providing explanation, examples, and insights. And the next term is the art of questioning. Art of questioning emphasizing that not all the questions are equal and require meaningful thinking. Ang art of questioning daw kay nag-emphasize nga dili tanan nga mga pangutana kay nagkinahanglan og deeper understanding, pero mo provide siya og general ideas for framing essential questions, highlighting the need of careful consideration.
About the 5 tips to integrate teaching by asking. The first tips to integrate teaching by asking is avoid one-word response questions. The second is foster a climate conducive to learning and questioning. And the third is my question, my answer is no, no. And the fourth is frame questions that are accessible to all learners. The fifth is learners should be active questioners too. Discuss is one-word response. One-word response is written from asking questions, can be answered with a simple yes or no. The one-word response, it is simple because you're going to answer the question yes or no.
Foster a climate conducive to learning and questioning. Make sure that your learners feel comfortable to express his or her ideas and or ask questions at any time. Some students are reluctant to speak up because they are afraid. Ang uban po mauwaw jud og kanang answer in front of the class. Listen attentively to what your learners have to say. Of course, paminaw na to ang atong estudyante kung nasa lay mga pangutana. Then, do not focus on hearing correct responses, but rather focus on listening to the message that the learners are trying to send across. And last, create a classroom environment where the learners feel heard and recognized. Mudyo ni mo is i-focus ni learners feel heard and recognized in the classroom. My question, my answer is a no, no. Do not answer your own question. Pero dili jud ni malikayan kay ang uban teacher kay mo answer gid sila sa ilang question kay di matubag ang mga estudyante, no. Then avoid rushing learners. Dili nato badal-dali og answer nga tong estudyante. Then give students time to ponder and hypothesis. Provide leading questions. Frame questions that are accessible to all learners. Remind your students that the question is for all the members of the class. Avoid labeling the degree of difficulty of a question. Kay katong nabantay ni mga slow learner siya, so imuha pong isayo na answer din katong sa mga fast learner ilisod-lisod. Dili siya nga na dapat fair ang pagkanang ask of questions sa students. Then avoid singling out specific group of learners. Kanang mag-focus lang ka sa usa ka group nga kanunay nimo tawgon kay kanunay sila mo answer. So dili matest der ang imo ang kanang kung nakasabot jud sila kay ara man ka mag-focus sa usa ka group. So kailangan patas pod nga pagtanon to nimo mahilumon og kanang mga active learners para makita jud nimo kung nabi sila nakatunan uwa. Give open-ended question from time to time. Mungutana jud ka. Give open-ended question from time to time para matest nimo og naka-learn ba sila sa imo ang gi-teach.
Learners should be active a questioner too. Demand your students to ask a question, and learners should practice directing question not only to you but also to their co-learners. So there are three situations and the questioning. There are the first situation. You want to help a problem who gets stuck on the problem. There are the possible questioning techniques. First is, which part of the problem is or are difficult to understand? What are the given pieces of information? Can you identify some strategies to help you understand the problem? Would drawing a diagram help? How could you describe the problem in your own words? What happens if you try it with similar numbers? The problem. Second situation, you want your students to listen and respond to the answer of their classmates. So there are the possible questioning of techniques. First, what do you think about classmate answer? How would you restrict your classmates' reasoning? Did anyone get the same result but a different solution method? Why is your classmate's assumption correct or incorrect? Would you like to commit on any of the previous answer? The third situation is you want to lead your students to the right conjecture, definition, or generalization. There are the possible questioning techniques in the third situation or examples. First, does this formula always work? Why? How do perimeter and area differ? How does the radius of a circle relate to the diameter of the circle? Will this solution method work if some condition about the problem are changed? Do you notice any pattern? What can you conjecture about this? What mathematical laws supports this statement? How are the functions related to decimals? Can you give examples and non-examples of integers? So those are the examples and the questioning